Good evening, friends. We had arts and crafts here in the Heffel household tonight. Here is our quality control manager checking out all of the little products that we made. Paula did the tutorial thing tonight, and I was her test subject on a lot of these things. But anyway, here's a kitty cat that Paula made. As you can see, it's a toilet paper roll, and it's got fabric covering. It's kind of got a bobblehead sort of a thing going on too. But nice job with that. Here's my version of of that. Same sort of a style, just kind of a different take on things. But oh, and here's like a little gourd that Paula made out of a sock. And this bat, once again we have toilet paper roll, and she took apart some earrings and made the eyes for the bat. Here's some larger pumpkin guys. This is a old sweater right here. So she has several of those. Turned out really nice. Mine, I'd had a sort of a different take once again. Here's my effort. As you can see, mine has sprouts growing out of the top. So lots of fun in any event. Oh yes, and of course we have right up here the glowing kitty cat eyes. Once again, these are toilet paper rolls that were used, and construction paper. As you can see there, you turn the lights out. These are little electric tea lights that flicker, so that was pretty neat. I was pretty impressed with that. So, and really quite easy to, well, not easy, but Paula took me through step by step, so I didn't get into too much trouble with stuff. So just kind of a fun Sunday night evening project. So I hope you all had a good weekend, and you were able to stay dry. So I think that our little kitty here thinks all of this is pretty neat, right? Meow. He's purring. He's purring. Right? Hope you can hear that. Okay, friends.